right way round. Well excited. It has been months upside down, and to reach this point feels good. So I'll do a quick walk round and we'll go from there. But before I do that, I wanted to say a massive thank you to the Sun Mini Owners Club lot, Jimmy, John, Sam and Tony, and my other half. We literally managed to turn this round together, and no damage, and it's back over. So obviously you saw that little bit of footage there of us flipping it round, and again, I hope brewing the biscuits was enough, but we massively appreciate it, because that is a milestone to see it that way around again. So now time to weld it all from the inside. We can crack on with this. It feels so good seeing it this way around. So I do a quick walk around. Sorry, it's still suffering from man flu. Do a quick walk around of the car now, and I also want to go through these roof bars, which Jimmy's lent me, basically so I could do what I needed to do underneath. And yeah, I think a few people have asked why and the method of it and stuff, so I'll just quickly show you it. Right, so they are merely just a set of roof bars with some wood strapped around, a little bit crudely cable tied there, but a bit of cloth in your gutter so it doesn't damage it, and it sort of just sits like that. It gives you 4 wheels to roll the car around upside down. So there we have it. There's those roof bars off, and you can see they've made absolutely no damage at all down the gutters. If anything, they've just not got dusty in that area. So, not sure if I've gone through it in any of the videos, but one of the last jobs to do will be to sort the roof out. There's a hole in this corner and a hole in a corner over there. But yeah, it looks good seeing it this way round. Really quite chuffed with it. There's a hole in that corner. So yeah, let's crack on. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is try the doors on, and then let's get on with some welding. And then I think big milestone will be bracing out and some primer on the floors. Right, so yeah, going on from that, you can see the penetration of my welds. Oh, there's my finger along there. That's the stitch welds I did. Now I'm going to plug weld all that. But let's just take a moment to take that lot in. And I'm going to plug weld and stitch weld all the inner floors, and then all that bracing can come out. You can see the sort of penetration I've got as well. These are all the plugs, the drain holes I've plugged up. See them on the other side over there, and obviously at the front. But yeah, really chuffed with it. Loads more welding to do now, but that's awesome. Once again guys, thank you for watching. Really just a quick episode to see the car flip round. Say a big thank you to Jimmy, John, Sam, Tony for helping us flip the car around. It's massively appreciated, and let's get on with your GT, Jimmy, because that needs to see the road. I've got loads of welding to do, so you're going to get loads more videos of floor welding. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. There is another build coming, which you hopefully have watched already. Let me know what you think of that as well, but this is our priority, and let's keep going with this. So a massive milestone, floors are 80% in, and it's solid. Catch you in the next one guys, bye bye.